I'm gonna get that out of my teeth. I'll save that for later. Ship slaps. Thank you, JoJo. The ship slap. What's that, girl? Hey, everybody. Everybody loves the ship slaps. Thank you, Joanna. Thank you, Joanna. Thank you, Jesus. We're gonna make our own shiplap with a pocket knife. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Man, we got a lot going on today and I wanted to share this with you. Hey, by the way, I'm sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. We've been so dadgum busy, I haven't had time to do much videoing. But this is a little special and I wanted to share this with you today. We're gonna be making our own shiplap. I know it's crazy. Everybody loves shiplap. We love shiplap. Thank you, Joanna Gaines. The idea is really not that hard. I mean, shiplap, it's just kind of a half lap joint, and then those they just kind of fit together. It's really pretty simple, the idea is. So anyway, I've got a router, I've got a straight bit, and some clamps. That's all I've got. So I don't have any specialty tools. I don't have a router table. I don't have anything like that. So we got less than $100, probably less than $50 worth of tools, and then just a piece of 1x. So we're gonna see what we can do about making some shiplap out of this. I've never done it before. Like I said, I've never done this before. Let's see what happens. I'm excited. I'm real excited. Let's go see what happens. So we got some 1x pine or spruce. Just some regular old stuff from the hardware store, from the big box store. Got our Ryobi router, just a plain Jane old router, a 3/8 inch straight bit, and that's all we're gonna use. That's awesome. I'm pretty proud of myself. I mean, I'm not the greatest carpenter, and you know I've said that many times. And this was not that hard, but I'm excited that we were able to do this. I just wanted to show y'all though, hey, it's really easy. So you can take a $3 or $4 board, cut you some grooves here on it, and then you got this cool, trendy shiplap stuff. I love it. Who knew, right? I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Give me a shout if you have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe here. I'll see you guys later. Go make something. Yeah.